What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2020 Porsche Carrera S. We got this car from auto insurance auction with the front end collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Live auction, picking up the car, rebuilding, and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 2, we're gonna put the car back together, pretty much get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's pull the car inside of the shop and start working. I got the Porsche inside of the shop, so now we can start working on it. And we're gonna start with this door. Put the door together, the inside together. I finally got my seat belts. Almost at the finish line. Let's go. Just put the interior completely together. I installed both airbags, installed the seat belts, put the door together. So time to move on to the front end, install the headlights, and for the final, the bumper. Let's do this. Just installed the bumper and she's looking good. So now for the final, just gotta reset everything. Porsche. Read the VIN. Okay. Diagnostic. Auto scan. So now it's gonna scan the whole car and then we'll clear everything and everything should disappear on the cluster. So everything reset and we got quite a bit of codes. So let's clear everything. So we got no more codes, everything passed. Nice. Fire in the hole. This is what I like. No problems, no nothing, man. I'm happy. So we're officially done with this bad boy. This is our first test drive. And so far so good. Drives amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. Everything is digital, new technology. Very, very nice. I just got to the mechanic shop. We're gonna do an oil change, check all the fluids, make sure everything is up to date, check underneath the car. That's it, we're finished with oil change. Next, we're gonna replace the front tires, and also we're gonna do alignment. We got two brand new Pirelli P0 front tires. We're gonna install that right now. Just installed the front tires and also did alignment. So next, customer had a little request. He wanted to put the car on dyno. So my friend has a shop down in Los Angeles and he has a dyno machine. So we're gonna go down there. He wants to just run the car through a dyno, see how everything spins, make sure everything works properly, check the horsepower and check the top speed. Make sure the car is not tuned because he wants everything to be original, bone stock. So I'll take you guys with me. Should be a fun little trip down to LA and we'll see how the dyno works. Never done that before, but I guess first time for everything. I'm excited. Let's go. And we're pulling up. They should be right there on the left side. There they are. Okay, let's go see what's up. And those are my friends, brothers from another mother. Вся команда в сборе, да? Здорово, как делишки?
Нормально, как сам?
Да потихонечку вот.
Приехал на Dyno?
Сарай привез, Volkswagen.
Сарай.
Проверим, что с ним.
Ваги. А мы тут, видишь, запускаем.
Да,
Сейчас запустили, завтра будем спускать на воду.
На Флориду можно, да, плавать ехать?
Можно.
So I had to remove the rear bumper in order to secure the car the proper way. So now the car is secured and we could do our test runs. Just got back from the dyno, everything is perfect, car drives amazing, everything works. I like that when you get to the high speed, the wing opens up. Wow, we got to 140 top speed. The car is all original, never been tuned according to the computer. So super happy, but check out what I have in front of me. I got two Porsches together. Funny that they're the same color. What are the odds? That we'll get 997 and 992, same color. So both of the cars are ready to go. Next we're gonna do a PPF on both of them and ready for delivery. New windshield just arrived. Fortunately we got a crack on the other side right here. Ouch. just installed the new windshield, so we're good with the windshield. I got a few more things to do before we take the car for the PPF. Let me show you. So we got new windshield wipers, and then this is a little pouch or a little leather strap that goes on the back of the seat to pull it out. And then for the final, I got a new cup holder. The one that we have right now is broken. So the cup holder actually goes right here, but broken, doesn't work anymore. I had to put a little piece of tape so I could open it again. And then the seat, there's supposed to be that little leather strap that pulls the seat forward. So I gotta do both of those. And then for the final, new windshield wipers. The seat, I'm gonna have to take it apart, so that should be fun. That's it, cup holder replaced. Now we got an actual cup holder that works. That's trash, don't need that. We got a nice one. I just removed the seat, so now we could work on the seat. And while I'm working on the seat, I'm gonna take the car to get the whole front end PPF, and then they're also gonna do a paint correction and then ceramic coat the rest of the car. So this way we're not wasting any time. Once they're done, I'll have the seat ready and we could just reinstall the seat and we're good to go. So for now, let's go drop off the car and I'll take you guys with me. So right now we're gonna get a probably airbag light because I disconnected the seat. Yep. Once I install the seat, I'll reset the airbag for the final and we should be good. So next destination, LNC Motorsport. They're not too far away from us. Let's go drop it off. Just arrived at LNC Motorsport. So let's go inside and say what's up to the boys. What's up, fellas?
Hey, how are you?
Good, good. How about yourself?
Good, man. Nice to see you.
Yeah, finally finished with this one.
Oh, beautiful.
You want to show around
Yeah.
to our fellas subscribers? They would love to see your operation. Oh, you guys got a...
So right now we're doing a full wrap on this Tundra.
Wow, that's the new one, huh? Brand
Brand
new.
new Tundra. And then right here we're doing...
Ooh, that's the big boy. Oh, what's up,
How
brother?
are you?
Sorry, my hands are wet.
It's all good. Looks like you guys are recording.
Time-lapsing
That's
this
right.
thing's crazy.
Yeah, well, it's a
Check this
one mean-looking machine. See what kind of quality they do. Woo. Can't wait to see our Porsche look like this. So I got that one, so once you guys are done with that one, I'll bring the other one. We could switch them around.
Let's do it.
So if you guys need PPF, tent, wrap, whatever got to do with the vehicle and wrapping, they'll take care of you guys. And they're here locally in Lake Forest as well, so for all my local subscribers, check them out. I'll put their link down in the description.
Again, we did full front end paint protection film in Expel Ultimate Plus, and then we did Ceramic Pro ceramic coating all around, as well as paint correction.
Just picked up the Porsche and man, it's looking amazing, like a brand new car. So now we could head back to the shop, install the seat. I'm done with the seat, and then for the final, we'll detail the car inside again. So in order to replace this guy, you gotta take the seat, the back end apart, and then replace it That's the only way to do it. And Pops helped out, as always, comes to the rescue. So now it works. That's it, just erased all the codes, so nothing on the car whatsoever. Pass, pass, pass. No codes. Let's see. Boom. Clean, clean, clean. That's what I like to see. That's it. We're ready for the final step. We're gonna detail the car. We're gonna do the interior, put some leather conditioning and all that good stuff. Porsche is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful, like a brand new car, shining bright like a diamond. Let's check it out. Man, I love this color too on the sun. It kind of looks a little bluish, metallic blue. Look how well the car cleaned up. Looks amazing. Brand new car. Let's check out the interior. Interior, look at that, spotless. Woo! What a beautiful car. I love it. We're officially finished with the Porsche, and guess what? We're going to Vegas. We're gonna deliver this car tomorrow to Las Vegas, and we're gonna take you guys with us. My wife and I are gonna drive this car there and then fly back, and plus it's a SEMA weekend, so lots of fun ahead of us. And it's finally bright outside. We're in Vegas. On our way to go deliver this Porsche. Gotta still get our hotel, then go to SEMA and party, party, party. We're pulling up to customer's house and we'll get his reaction as well. Should be interesting. ¿Qué pasa, patron? How are you, my friend?
Hello, Mrs. Solo.
Hello.
This is El Pepe's. Sorry, the car got a little dusty,
Hey,
but she's finally here.
here home, huh?
Home away from home.
Pepe doesn't play around.
No, no, no. You only live one time.
Pepe's, you happy with your
I'm very
vehicle?
happy. Thank you for bringing me in
This
all the
is-
way from California to Las Vegas.
Beautiful car, beautiful people. You get to enjoy this beautiful car.
You happy, I'm happy.
That's the best feeling when you get a very happy customer, and not just the customer, a friend.
For
It was a customer that became a friend for life.
Yes, sir.
Pepe's,
Thank you, sir.
pleasure doing business.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for being my good friend now.
Yes,
and
sir.
the family. And Mama too.
Yes, thank you, Mama.
You made us steaks, fed us well.
Not just any steaks, T-bone steaks.
T-bone.
Oh.
Could have been happier.
T-bone steaks.
Very pleasant experience in Vegas. And the night is still young.
Yes.
brought into our hotel. Beautiful place, master bedroom. Got a big bed. This is where we're staying tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna go to SEMA car show, so it should be fun. And in a couple hours we're gonna dress up and go out, have some fun, have some drinks, and I'll try to record as much as I can. Guys, again.
Set this down, come right back to me.
Delicious. We just got to SEMA, very busy, lots of people, lots of beautiful cars. But get ready to see a crazy truck. Check out this one.
How do you get in there? I'll try. Yeah.
I hope you know how to do pull-ups.
Oh, it's actually
Oh my god, you're kidding. Hold on.
Wait, I gotta film you.
Just don't break your neck.
Good luck. Get it, girl.
Damn, this is insane.
Where are you taking us?
Let's go to Vegas. Maybe let's
How's
do
it
this
feel
trip.
to be so high up there?
I feel like I'm above all you guys.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wow.
Oh my god.
So we just got into the collision and auto repair, I guess, unit or facility. And this is where you see all the collision repairs. Check out this frame machine. Wow, that's freaking. See, that's the measuring system to measure frame rails. Make sure, yeah, make sure everything is dialed in.
Hey, don't make it broken. They're not gonna
just got back from Vegas and man, so much fun. Good trip. We delivered the car, went to SEMA for the first time ever. That was a good experience. It's time to do the giveaway. I know I promised you guys the airbag in the last video, so there it is. We're gonna sign it so it's all official, and then we'll pick a lucky winner. We'll put Dr. Vlad, and we'll sign it, I guess, on the Porsche. That's a good place to sign it, right here. And we'll sign it right here in the middle, on the side. Dr. Vlad. And we'll put Dr. Vlad right here, Dr. Vlad. So now it's all official. We're gonna announce the lucky winner for this airbag. And guys, there's been some kind of a scam going on YouTube from Telegram. Let me make this clear. I will never ask you guys for your personal information, and especially to send money. That's not me. So the only giveaway announcement I'll ever do, that's gonna be in the video where I'm personally announcing. I'll never write to you and congratulate you that you're a lucky winner. So everything with the Telegram, that's a scam, be aware. Let's pick a lucky winner for the giveaway. And once again, we're gonna be using comment picker to find out who's the lucky winner. Let's see, let's do copy paste. Bing boom. So everything's legit. Hashtag Porsche. And let's see how many comments we got. We got 158 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner for the giveaway. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is Dan. Congratulations, my friend. You're the lucky winner. There you go. Please send me an email with your shipping information and I'll mail out your airbag as soon as possible. And once again, thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. If you didn't win this time, don't worry, you'll win next time. And guess what? I got another giveaway. So we did a build a while back, probably a couple of years ago. It was a 2016 Porsche Turbo S, and we did a GT2 conversion. And first, they made a wrong offset on the wheel, so they end up saying us another set. And I had this half a rim laying around, so if you guys want something like this for your man cave, please drop a comment, hashtag rim, and I'll be more than happy to give you guys this cool little art for the wall, I guess. And we're gonna sign this as well. So this is all gonna be official. We're gonna put Dr. Vlad right here, and we'll do a little signature right here. Boom, and we'll put 2022. Drop a comment, hashtag rim, and before end of this year, I'll pick a lucky winner, and you guys could have this little piece of art on your wall. So thank you guys once again for participating. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!